Hello, data structure in Java continued. And here is the code of display of a linked list. Now what is display? It is the showing of the data part. Let us see the code and its explanation. Well, this is the code to be explained. What is happening here is we have been given in the argument a node from where the chain is continuing. So this is the beginning. Now, if you see this structure, you will understand how PRN is beginning with start. So wherever a start is, PRN begins. Now the present list is therefore, as long as PRN does not become null, I can say that this null can be converted to something in small letter, which is the keyword, right? Now the keyword is in small letter in program, but the meaning is it is empty. It is no more. It is nowhere any further. But before that, this A6, this B8, these all are internal hexadecimal address values. These numbers are internal numbers. These cannot be input. These can only be accessed here in the program from the program syntax. Now PRN is therefore getting start. Start is an internal hexadecimal number represented by A6. Start has got something in its address part. Now this B8 is internal or external. Now take your time. Try to figure out whether B8 is an internal value or an external value. This chain, this formation was made in either stack form or in queue form. But whichever form it was, now I am going to print the data part with prn.data. Prn.data is an integer if you remember the code of how to make a node, and then B8 is the address of the next location where the next set of data is waiting. So from A6 I can go to B8. How will I go to B8? I will overwrite PRN with the content in its next. It can be equated with, like as if in the movie hall example, if you remember, in a movie hall, if you have got a group of friends who are sitting in different seat numbers, you can have one friend holding the seat number of the next friend. So the one friend who is sitting on a chair will have his own name, that is the data part, and will have a seat number of the next friend. The seat number obviously therefore is an internal value. The name of the friend is an external value. The name can be input, but the seat number has to be generated. And in this way, if each of them can tell the address of the next friend, then the entire chain, wherever whoever is, can be formed. Now let me show you the program part of this. This is the program code wherein start has been sent either from the super function wherever either a stack is made or a queue is made. But after that, once the start is created, like start is sent, PRN is created, and this PRN is moving further and further ahead. Right. Now this one simple code example is this one, in which you can see some data are sent in input, but they are vanishing somewhere. Where are they? Where are the data? The data are in the list wherein this is the starting one. If you remember, start is something where the list is beginning from. So if start is allocated to PRN, then it prints the present list is, then it prints PRN's data, which is 10, and then it carries on and on in a circular fashion with PRN overwriting itself with its next data. No, its next address. So each time PRN is overwriting itself with the next internal address present in the next part of the combinational data of the structure, or what is it called? The PRN, which is an object. All right. So in this way, if you repeat the previous videos and see this once again, I just hope it will be a little bit clear to you. Okay.